Hello everyone, it's Rita here, and I'm ready to do a flip through on this Lemon Fresh folio. These are the ones that I put the brads in, or this is the journal that I put the brads in. I've got to re-glue here. I think it's the heat, it just loosens it up, but oh, that's weird. So this is already spoken for, and she said she would like this green ribbon on the front instead of the fold over flap. I can't think of it for closure. So I just put this little collage up here in the corner, and not to infringe on the bird itself. So I'm just going to untie this. I think you could just wrap it and put it around your journal, but I'm not sure. So because I couldn't get it to wrap around and, you know, do that. But I put Velcro in here, so I hope this is okay because, well, it's hard to open. It's strong. And I don't really like Velcro, but I strengthened this spine here too, so it would have more firmness here. So, I don't know, if you don't like the Velcro, I guess you can take it off and put another piece of paper here. Same for this side. Anyway, let's get to the journal. So over here I have a journal card in here to write on. I love this kit. The kit is by Cotton and Twigs. And let me see, was there anything else I wanted to say about that? I think some of the papers are Artie Mays. I think this is Artie Mays, this cardstock that I printed. So here's page 1. And there's journaling on this side. This is one of those great pages that was given to me by Kathy. And then another journal page. It's just so pretty. I didn't want to cover up any of it, really. Here's a blank page here. Another journal page. And I sewed along the edges of most of the pages, I think. This is just a little thing I made out of parchment paper. Just a little booklet, and put a digital there. This is wallpaper that Tanya at Teddy Treasures sent to me. I'm almost out of it. I don't use it very often if I can stop myself. This is some lace I had, and this is mulberry paper. Here's another page just for looking and journaling on the back. This is onion skin. It was hand dyed. Another pretty page. More journaling space. Another pretty page. Journaling. Journaling. And I guess journaling because I didn't really find something that I had to put in here. Plus, it was getting so thick that I could hardly even get the cover to close. So, someone can always put whatever they want there, a picture or another piece of ephemera or something. Okay, this is a little piece of ephemera I made. I think it's a Roxy Creation project. Yeah, because we made those dots. So I put a journal card in there, and this is just an invoice that I folded over and put in front. And that's stapled on there. And then on the back, it also has a flower put on that, the blue flower. Then this is a Ultra paper clip, and I just punched out some of those little blue flowers and stuck that onto this to hold it down. This is more journaling. This is red cabbage dyed paper. Another pretty picture, and I've put lace on some of the edges and journaling there. Cute little bird. I thought that just looks so good together, the bird and the hand-dyed canary yellow paper. Another journaling spot. Another pretty picture. This is the back of that wallpaper. And then on this side, I put another journal card in here. Sewed around that. This one here is another one that I did with Roxy Creations. I have to make some more of these. These came in so handy. I have a journal card in there, and there's writing space on the back. And That just slips into there, and then there's a picture on the back of this one, which needs a dot of glue. Let me just dot it. I'll never remember to go back and do that. Okay. So that is clipped into here. So you can just take these out if your book feels too full. And then we have another pretty page here. Coffee dyed paper for journaling. I think I coffee dyed on every page. I think there might be one that is not coffee dyed. Or a tea dyed. I don't use coffee anymore. I use tea. Yeah, here's another. And you can take this out and put it on one of your journals if you want. You know, I think everything will come out really easy because it's only put in with those brads. And I was going to leave that center part open here and left the brads showing, but I didn't, because you could have opened them and taken pages out, but no, I didn't do that. So this is part of the folio here. That's the journal. This one has 3 pockets, and it has journal cards in all of those. There's a couple up in here, each one of those pockets. This side has a pocket here, and this is one of Kathy's papers that she sent me. It was printed over a book page, Agatha Christie, and I just thought it looked like it goes there. This tag here is one that I collaged. Remember when I just put random things on top of a card that I couldn't use, or digitals that I didn't want to keep. This is the digital on the back, and there's a digital there, and then I just added stuff around it. It turned out cute, and it matched in here just really nice. I thought, oh, it won't go anywhere. It won't match, but it does. Another journal card that I just sewn and around. This little flip here, I've got a flip, and then this pocket, I have like 4 little tiny journal cards in there. Here was a piece of cardstock that I kept, and I folded in half and put a little eyelet in there to add something to this. But that's all it is. It's just I copied some postcards backing, and I just had that, and so I just glued it here and here. I think I did that on camera one time. I don't remember though. So we have this little envelope. Here's a little belly band, kind of give it some rough texture in here, and journal card. And then in here is a journal card. And I don't usually do it this way, but I was able to slip this in and out without any problem. So I didn't cover the envelope at all. I left it in its natural state. You could actually probably write on that too if you wanted to. Okay, on this side I have I added a glassine bag, and I fussy cut out this bird and put him there, and then I have a journal card inside of this bag. I just love that vase. I think I'm going to change my house to blue and yellow. Then on the inside you flip it out, and I have this little notebook here. Now this, I wanted to use this for a notebook, but it kind of, you know, this flap is really kind of too big, but I still feel like you can actually write on it. These are, I copied the digital papers that I received from Jody, only a couple of them, and I just trimmed that one, or cut it up and used it for some journaling spot. I just wanted to use it, so I did. This is a slow stitch I did while I was working on this journal in the evenings, and it's not the best work, but it was so much fun. I really enjoy working with these. I've got all these little seed stitches in here, and just this keeps the page together. All these French knots are from Mary, who sent me her grandmother's pearl cotton. I put it on a little card like this. I didn't put that one on yet, but so yeah, I just thought, oh gosh, I want to use Mary's on there. If you don't know by now, Mary's the one that's asked to purchase it. Then I put my little label here, and this, it covers my little label, so it's not out blaring at you, but you can put more stuff back there. Like I said, it was just so full. So this side, inside, I hope I'm in screen, has just these little pockets with little journal cards in it, and it's really cute. Oh, and I stapled this on, so if you want, you can take the staples out if you don't want this on this card. Oh, and I put a little place to make a note there. Anyway, I think I love how it turned out. Got this little bee. Okay, this one here I put, I had printed on fabric, and it didn't come out really very clear for what the last project I was using it for, and this one, it just fit right in there. It was, and I ironed it on. It had the fusible backing on it, so I just ironed it to it. I feel like there should be more because I feel like I've been working this a long time, but I guess that's it. There's nothing on the back as far as pockets go. And in this, yeah, I put this in the center. Okay, I was thinking I left that empty. So I hope Mary will enjoy this. Did I go in here? No. See, I always forget a place. Okay, inside here is our little butterflies, and I was almost out of the ribbon that I used for that to intertwine. And yesterday, not yesterday, but the day before, I got in the mail a whole new roll, because that one was almost empty, and this was sent to me by Kathy at Nonstop Mom. So thank you so much. It's a little different than the one I had, but I don't think it'll matter much. It'll serve the same purpose. And she got this on Amazon. If anyone is interested in it, I had a package. It is the SKU number is X002J0B75H. And if you, I don't know if you can see it or not, take a picture of it or something if you want. Anyway, that's where it came from. So thank you so much, Kathy. I picked it up and I'm like, this is really light. I thought I ordered some heavy stuff, like glue. I ordered some glue, and this was in it, and that's great. I love that. So much fun to get a prize in the mail. Whoops, I should put this lid back on. I did get this cleaned out. You have no idea how much stuff was gunked up inside of here. You can always punch your needle through. This is just a little extra tip. You know, your needle goes straight through the glue, but as you're trying to get the glue out again, it just plugs right back up because there's no room left inside there. So I pulled out all kinds of dried glue. Anyway, here's the belly band there, and I scanned one of the pages from the doctor's office, and I'm going to send that just like that. I know it's got wrinkles, but if you want, I guess you can iron it, but it's supposed to look old, so wrinkles won't hurt. But this was back in I can't remember what it said now. 1889. And I think it even goes back to 1888. But I just grabbed a page and made a copy. And then here is just one of Pink Monarch's, Pink Monarch's invoices. I love those. I use them all the time. They're just so nice to stick in a pocket. And then here I showed you how I did this with the flips. Undo these. And it's like it's a uneven waterfall. I don't know any other way to explain it. But there's just all kinds of little places to put notes, and under the cards as well. Then instead of the same old thing. So, and this holds it up a little there, and this one, whoops, it's pretty close. That holds that so that it keeps it from flipping around. Okay? So I think that is it now. So this all closes like this. this comes up. Let me get this up first. And I have the 2 Velcro dots. Kind of just line them up. They don't... Okay, so now it's, you know, it's stable. I'll glue all that. And yeah, Mary's spoken for it. So sorry for if anyone else was interested in it, but if you're a journal maker and you love that kit, that's what I loved, was that lemon. I mean, it was so vintage looking, but yet so fresh, summer fresh. Okay, guys, so that's it. Can't think of anything else right now, but I'm going to try to film another video today so I can have it out Tuesday or whatever day I get it out. Okay, thanks, and have a great day. Bye.